Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a handmade drill machine that I built entirely at home. Despite being fully DIY, it works smoothly and efficiently, just like a professional tool. I've designed it carefully to handle precise drilling tasks, making it both functional and reliable for everyday use. To build this project, we started by selecting a plastic pipe as the main body of the drill machine. This pipe is lightweight yet durable, providing a sturdy housing for the motor. We carefully chose a length and diameter that would allow the DC motor to fit perfectly inside. Next, we prepared the motor by measuring and marking the pipe according to its dimensions. The pipe was pre-cut to the required length so that the motor could sit securely without any movement. To reinforce the structure, we also cut and shaped a plastic sheet to act as a support inside the pipe. Each piece was measured precisely and cut to fit snugly inside, ensuring stability. And friends, if you want to take this project to the next level, you can design a 3D printed body. This will give the drill machine a much more professional and polished appearance, while maintaining full functionality. The two pieces we cut earlier have now been carefully fitted into place. After preparing the support pieces, we drilled holes in the pipe at the correct positions. These holes are essential for mounting the motor and fixing it firmly. The motor is then inserted into the pipe and aligned carefully with the drilled holes. Finally, we used screws to secure the motor inside the pipe. Each screw was tightened properly to ensure that the motor does not shift during operation. Once all the screws are in place and the motor is stable, the basic assembly of our handmade drill machine is complete. After completing the basic structure, we now move on to the electrical connections. First, we take a few connecting wires and carefully complete the motor wiring. At this stage, proper soldering work is very important. We make sure all joints are clean, strong, and well soldered so that the connections remain reliable and long-lasting. Next, we take a press switch. To mount it securely, we hold the switch inside the pipe in a proper position and fix it firmly. As you can see, the switch is placed in such a way that it is easy to access during operation. Along with that, we also position the motor carefully. To fix the motor, we are using instant glue, which helps in holding the motor tightly in place within a short time. After all the components are properly fitted, we move on to the switch connections. The wiring process is very simple. You can follow the connections exactly as shown in the video. If you want a clearer understanding, I will also provide a complete circuit diagram and connection details in the description so you can easily replicate this setup without any confusion. Now, we take a DC socket and a toggle switch. One by one, we start fitting all these components into the body. Each component is positioned carefully to ensure both functionality and a neat internal layout. So now, let's quickly install and secure all the components in their respective positions. Once everything is placed properly, we complete all the remaining electrical connections step by step. After finishing the switch and socket wiring, we finally complete the main motor connection. Again, soldering is done carefully to ensure strong joints and good electrical contact. Proper soldering plays a key role in the durability and performance of the project. Once all the connections are completed, we arrange the wiring neatly and place the entire setup inside the body. Using instant glue, we securely fix all the parts so that nothing moves or loosens during operation. Finally, to give the project a clean and attractive look, we apply paint over the body. As you can see, after painting, the project looks much more professional and visually appealing. Now that the main setup is ready, we'll move on to assembling the remaining parts. For this step, we are using a drill chuck, which helps us fit all the components accurately into place. One by one, we start installing each component. With the help of an Allen key, we securely tighten the motor so it remains stable during operation. The remaining parts are also mounted onto the motor assembly. After completing the assembly, it's time for testing. For testing purposes, I'm using a 12-volt DC adapter. As soon as the adapter is connected to the board, you can see that the project starts working instantly. Friends, this project allows movement on both sides, right and left. Now let's assemble the remaining outer parts and move on to the final test. As you can see, when I start drilling, it creates holes very smoothly and efficiently. Whether it's metal or wood, the drilling performance is clean, powerful, and precise. You can clearly see how easily it makes holes without any vibration or instability. I've tested this project in multiple ways, and each time, it performed extremely well. So friends, do let me know in the comment section how you liked this project. For now, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.